Hi guys, this is Roxana here. I'm gonna plan the week of the 12th to the 18th of April. So I'm taking out the pages now so I can plan. And now we have them already laid out here. And I will be using some stickers from a planner from Chile, and she does a lot of amazing stickers, and I got these rainbows and I love them, so I'm gonna use them now. And I will be using the encouragement uh, sticker book. So let's start planning. I'm gonna put the rainbows on the lower part, and I'm gonna be switching them up a little bit. So I'll go first with the big one. And now I'm using a smaller one, and then I'm gonna use an even smaller one. And it's sticking where it shouldn't, so I move it a little bit to the left. So I still have enough space for another big one, which I will have to cut a little bit so I can place part on one side and part on the other side. So there's me cutting it. And I'm not a fan of doing this, but sometimes you have to. So the spread will look really nice and you end up with something really pretty. Now I'm gonna use another one. I don't wanna use like the same ones, so I'll be changing it up a little bit here. I wanna have enough color and like a lot of harmony in uh, the layout, so the rainbows should be in place, so I can have a big rainbow that's missing the last one. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's had I still had space for a smaller one, then I have a large one, and it goes there. And I am going to cut it because it goes out a little bit. And now that I have all of the rainbows here, we're gonna find some stickers. I wanna put something over the notes section, something to encourage myself, because I am back to school. I'm going, I am back to school, but virtually. I'm taking some courses, so I will be using this one a lot as long with my catch-all. And I wanna put some correction tape over the notes so it doesn't go through the sticker. And here it's perfect. I really like where it's there. And I found a You Go Girl sticker, so I'm gonna lay it down here because I need to uh, be good with me. Like, I really need to pay attention and focus where I am studying because it's something that I really, really like. So I need some big boxes because I need to write a lot of stuff. So I have this one that I really liked. It pops up, the yellow brings out a lot of the colors, it brings them together, I think. I liked it. And the pink goes with the flow, like goes with all of the other parts, and I want to put something there as well, so I can write like the more important stuff. So I'm kind of looking to see what I can find. Like, I don't want to go to the colorful boxes because I want to use some of these ones, but I'm having a hard time finding something that will go with this one. I like this sticker because it will encourage me to do something I like and remind me that I need to keep going. So since I'm not finding something for that part, I am going to use probably something else. Because this green one doesn't go with this green that is on the rainbows, so I think I will be using this ones, but you'll see how I will be using it as morning routine. But I think like with this another stickers, it will help cover it up since it's not the morning routine. I am a full-time mom going on homeschooling during the morning, so it's not that for me. And I need to study on the weekends. It's not like I usually did that before, but now that I'm taking, as I was saying, the certificate, I need to study on the weekends since I don't have time, too much time during the day. And I'm trying to find a sticker that says something relevant to what I need here. So I'm taking the one that says intellectual, and I'm laying it down here, and it's kind of hard to lay it straight. And but I don't want to use another one of those for the other box, so I'll keep looking. And I really like this yellow for that part because it brings together the other yellow I have, and I think it kind of makes it pop. So I'm still looking for something for the other one. And I think this one's might be it. So I'm gonna use this one for the lower part and encourage me to keep on going. And I need to find another one for the lower upper part. And I really like this one. It goes with the colors. And I'm putting it there, but I still can see some of the morning routine that said before, so I'm trying to find something that like a star, like this one's, it will go over it, and I think it will look so much better with it as it does. So I think I'm finished now. Yes, I really like it. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really liked it, you can subscribe to my channel. You can look me up on Instagram. There is the handle in the comments, and my Facebook page as well. And hope you liked it, and hope to see you soon as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.